What is this? I did not know I got to drive this beast. My wife would not be stoked. I'm really actually happy at that. Like, I'm glad that it got done, knocked out so quick. That was cool. We helped you this time, but next time you bring something to my shop, it better be cool. Something old and cool. None of this, whatever that is. Jase is here. Let's see what he's got. Oh my gosh. Dude. What is this? Literally, what is this?
So Travis, normally we don't see anything in this shop if it's made after 1970. So
well,
what?
It depends on what it is. You know, we work on 80s like OBS style trucks, but normally we would not do work on a truck. I wouldn't even touch this truck. Wouldn't let it in my shop.
I'm gonna stand here looking prideful, even though I'm being humiliated
Jase
right
is a
now.
good friend of mine. No, he's really a good friend of mine. So that's like, you know, sometimes I make exceptions. But
that's my middle name. But the exception to the rule.
Yeah. He seems to be the exception a lot. But when I call him and need something, he comes right away and helps me. So, you know, that's what good friends do. So
we take care of each other, right?
That's right.
For
so
sure.
we're gonna help him out with this.
Yeah, so we're working on Jase's truck that he's driving to Alaska. He's got a dent here that he's wanting to take care of. We got a gouge. So we're just gonna do kind of a quick, dirty fix on her, if you will. I'm gonna push it out from the backside with some pry bars, do all that. We're gonna weld that slit up, mud it, and then rattle can paint it. Not something we typically do in the shop, but you know, we love Jase around here, so we'll do it for him.
So how do you get in? You have to
So I could, a lot of times I would typically pull this bed cap. I'm not gonna do it on this one because he's got that big old toolbox up in there. But it feels like I should be able to access. There's a metal wheel liner in it that attaches to the bedside, but I should be able to get back from behind it. The other option I have is pulling the tail light, getting up in there. But yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna start playing with it. Not getting her perfect, just kind of getting it fixed up so they can drive it to Alaska. All right.
I need to do a full oil change on this thing. Anyways.
Gonna have an insurance claim on Jase.
No!
No! No! No!
Workers' comp.
Did you get your tetanus shot?
Oh yeah, dude, you definitely need it for these old Fords.
That was the chop part of the shop, Jase name.
Yep.
Okay, so we got Jase's truck here. He got some new headlights for it. The old ones were just super faded out, and it would have been a lot more work to, you know, sand, clear, and throw them back in versus going this cheaper route and easier route of just buying brand new headlights. They're also pretty sweet headlights. They got little LED bars in them and all that cool stuff. Projectors, which are going to be really nice for driving down the road. The headlights on these Fords pulling out are super easy. We just got to pull the grill. There's 210s on the top, 210s down the side, and there's kind of 110 hidden underneath the front of the bumper. That's a little tricky to get to, but other than that, it's super simple. Pull them out, change out the bulbs, plug it in. They're all plug and play, and yeah, it's gonna be a sweet little upgrade that's gonna make the truck a lot nicer. So.
So do you buy it, Drew?
This?
Yeah.
I'm not a Ford guy personally.
Jase, does that just wreck you?
No, I got no emotions to it. I like them, but I'm not one of those like, I can only own this, right? No, I'm good.
It has to be a bit deep for Jase to buy it.
Yes!
Like, it can't be nice.
Can't be nice. My wife would not be stoked if I brought a nice car home, but if I bring a wreck home, she's like, oh, that makes me feel better.
He's into the fixer-upper.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, that's
Even all your LEDs.
This trucks never look so good. So, can I chuck these?
Yeah, go ahead in the dumpster. Yeah.
You sure you don't want them?
No, I don't. I'm sure.
I mean, maybe that little Ford with the V8, that might, no?
Not happening.
So do you have the right color paint for this guy, or you need to match it? What's the next step?
So yeah, I mean, we can make any color of paint that we really want to make here. But with this one, we're kind of just doing more of like a backyard repair, so we're not going to be, I'm going to prime it, but I'm not going to do a typical priming process that we take. I'm just going to do a rattle can primer, and then we're going to do a single stage rattle can paint that matches this. That's getting mixed up by ideal distribution here. So yeah, it'll just all come in rattle cans, and we'll just blend it out the best we can, and yeah, try to make it look good.
Now, typically we don't do that, of course, for our normal cars, but Jase, he's in a little bit more of a hurry. He's that.
Yeah, Jase always seems to be the exception, and so no, I mean, this is just a fun project that Jase is doing. You know, it's nothing super serious. Older Ford, you know, just had a nasty dent in the bedside, so you know, just making it a little bit nicer for him to be able to use. And I think he's just taken to Alaska, isn't he?
Resale.
Okay, so yeah, I mean, it'll be a lasting repair, you know, and whoever gets it won't even really be able to notice. So
That's crazy.
not bad for a couple hours, huh?
No, that's not bad for a couple hours at all. That's awesome.
I mean, if you watch the video, that took all of 46 seconds.
Yeah,
so it's pretty dope work right there. Yeah, man, this looks great.
That is going to be amazing. So
The headlights on the front, that alone. So then, I won't do this here, I promise. I'll take this out, I'm gonna pop all these off, I'm gonna rhino line the whole bed, and then I have a new cap for the back, and a really dope detail job I'm
you
gonna have
find
to
one
do.
of these caps at the junkyard? That'd be
Yes.
awesome. I'm surprised Ford doesn't just sell it.
I
Ford
looked
dealership.
all over the freaking internet for
Did you go to
those.
the dealership? If it was a Ford stock product, maybe.
Yeah, but at the dealership, it's gonna be like $200 for a
No, but you'll find a
I
part
wonder
number.
if they would only sell you the whole step too, and not just the pad.
And you might just get a part number, and then you go to that part number and you just find it online because
Okay.
you're having a hard time finding it.
Yeah, man,
I'd fix this gasket too. So it's not hanging down.
Yep.
Just put like a screw in there. They sell like body screws for these.
Yeah.
Probably want to pressure wash all
Dude,
the
look at this. The guy didn't do anything. I've actually
he still
swept
has
your
clean.
shop out twice since I got here.
There you go.
So I've got upholstery cleaners. I'm gonna clean all this out. I vacuum the whole thing, clean the whole thing.
There's a whole bunch of other stuff that can be swept in the shop if you're just volunteering.
I'm volunteering because this is getting done. I am volunteering. I'm being voluntold what to go and do right now.
There you go.
So what option? Just kidding.
Such a difference.
Right? It doesn't look like an old dog.
And everybody watching, don't bring stuff like this to me. This is an exception. I
I don't do stuff like this.
No, you do not. Don't look over there. There's still dust on the floor.
Well, that's what the machine's for. That's
Yeah.
gonna clean it all up. So.
I got the chunks out.
There we go.
Dude, but it looks...
I'm really actually happy with that. Like, I'm glad
Yeah.
that it got done, knocked out so quick, because
Yeah.
you're gonna have it out on the road. And
Yeah. Pumped.
Oh, this is just a little bit of Bondo or mud. It's 3M Platinum Plus filler. So I've already block sanded, filled the dent and everything. So basically right now, what I have is I have like some pinholes left over. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna do a super tight skim, kind of fill those pinholes, block sand it one more time, and then we'll squirt some primer on it and get it ready for paint.
All right, so gaskets are wrong.
okay.
I spent all the time cleaning those valve covers. Gaskets are wrong, but the shop of the street has them, so I'm just gonna go pick them up real quick.
Okay. Well, your truck's. Did you drive something else here? I think you're in your truck. So.
My truck is here. I'm not gonna go pick those up real quick. I'm just gonna hang out and wait for the stars to align.
Wait for the stars. Like,
Yeah,
you know what?
that's what I'm gonna do.
How about this? I'm gonna let you take my Bel Air up the street to get those parts.
Really?
I think
That's
so.
the shop truck is a Bel Air?
Well,
you can
that's
tell
my-
I definitely
that's my-
don't belong here.
That's my daily driver, right now, today.
Dope. Okay, I'm gonna go get that in the Bel Air.
There you go. 55 Bel Air. It's right out the back door.
Sweet. I did not know I got to drive this beast. Dude. Oh man. I think I'm gonna go out to lunch too. I think I need one of these also.
Oh, Mama, I have got to get me one of these.
This thing is epic. All right, let's do this. Yeah.
Your truck is done. Get this thing out of my shop. That
Deal.
was cool. We helped you this time, but next time you bring something to my shop, it better be cool. Something old and cool. None of this, whatever that is.
How about I bring my 67 Camaro back and we fully do that job?
I can get behind that. We can do
Okay.
that. All right.
Okay, so what?
That
This,
works.
this weekend?
Yeah, let's do it this weekend.
Deal. Okay, I'm gonna get this out of here. I can't promise I'll never try it again though. All right, you guys, 4 hours ago I brought this thing in with a hole in it. A little bit of bumping, a little pushing, a little welding, a little Bondo, some sanding, some more. And now I get to go clean this thing. I am gonna buff the whole truck down, even everything out. Dude, this thing is epic. Got so much done while I was here today, so I feel like I should shoot a RodsNMods commercial and be like, RodsNMods did it for me. Just kidding. So now I'm gonna go finish the rest of this. So you can jump onto mine and see this whole transformation, because everybody watching this side of it's gonna come over and now watch this, part of the transformation.